Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to play 20 questions on iMessage. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up the messaging app, tap on it, and go ahead and find the contact that you wanted to challenge. And that once done, go ahead and tap on the plus sign, tap on more right here. And if you do have Game Pigeon, skip this step, okay? If you don't have it, go to Store, and then tap on the search box right here, and just find Game Pigeon. Tap on it. Now tap on Get, install it, and once the installation process is done, you can now then go ahead and close the App Store. Now tap on Messages again, and this time go ahead and tap on the plus sign, More, and as you can see we have Game Pigeon, just tap on it. And then lastly here, we are going to find the game 20 questions. So just scroll down or scroll through the games right here at the very bottom. The last game right here is 20 questions. So just tap on it. Now, if you go ahead and start the game, you basically become the thinker. Type a secret person, place, or object into the text box. Right here, for example, Ryan. I'm going to tap on Done. And then I'm going to tap on Play right here. And tap on Send. Okay. So go ahead and tap on Play. So the guesser right here, or your friend, will then ask a question. And the guesser can type a question that can be answered with yes or no. So you just basically answer it right here, and then the person's going to ask a question. You're going to answer it by yes or no. And the limit is exactly 20 total questions to uncover the word. If the guesser types the exact secret word and the thinker clicks "You've guessed it," the guesser wins. If the counter hits 0 without a correct guess, the thinker wins and the word will be revealed. And that is how you play 20 questions on iMessage. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.